Today we celebrate the feast of Saint Matthew, the apostle and evangelist. Matthew's story reminds us that our past does not define us and that an encounter with Jesus can transform our lives forever. In the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 9, verses 9 to 13, we read about Jesus' call to Matthew, a tax collector. Jesus sees beyond Matthew's profession and invites him to follow. We are reminded that our encounter with Jesus can transform us. How can we apply Matthew's story to our lives? Recognize that our past does not define us.